If I walked into your warehouse right now and stood at any one of your pack stations, how much could I actually see? Not in terms of layout, in terms of accountability. Because this is where it happens. This is the last human touch point before the order leaves. And if something goes wrong here, you're the one paying for it. So here's the checklist. If you are running a live fulfillment, pause and ask these 5 questions. Can you tell who packed the order without asking around? If a customer says something was missing, can you pull up the pack footage in under a minute? Can your support team verify an order without talking to ops? If the issue was caused by how the item was packed, can you actually see it? Can you use the past footage to train your new staff on what not to do? If the answer to any of these questions is no, then you don't have visibility. Because for every refund you issue and every hour spent guessing what happened, it all comes back to one thing. You couldn't see it when it mattered. So here's the action. Start treating the pack station like a black box recorder. What happened inside the 30-second window? Can you prove it? If not, fix that. Because the station isn't just where the order ends, it's where the truth starts.